Alright, I did a poll on Instagram of what kind of planter that I should make next, and the majority chose spooky. So I made this cool little Triclops planter, but it does not have any drainage, unfortunately. So I'm gonna just put a bunch of plants that don't need a ton of water and I can just mist them. So these are what I'm gonna put in. My biggest worry with this not having drainage is rot. So I put a really nice mix in there. It's really chunky. It has some horticultural charcoal, a lot of perlite, some orchid bark, and then a bit of cactus mix in there as well.